If you are new to gardening, how can you plant this pineapple? As a gardener, how can you get pineapples every year? Well, it's simple. By planting once and harvesting once and continue to harvest. Look at these ones. We have planted these ones years back, and after harvesting once, they replace themselves with more plants, which we can also harvest. Today, I have another one that is ready for harvest. Yes. Can you see that? Ripe and ready. Harvesting this today. So it's quite easy. Yes. Nice one. Gradually ripening up and getting soft. Press it, you see that it's a little bit soft. Ready to be consumed. So now, as that has been harvested, this particular plant will die away, but definitely will replace itself by other new young pineapple plants. As you can see another young pineapple plant here. You can see which is going to grow up, get mature, and produce another fruit at another time. That is how we keep on harvesting from the same single plant planted years back. See this planted this year, yet to produce. As soon as they produce, they will die and replace themselves with other suckers coming from under them. So this is the fruits just harvested this morning, and then it's nice, fresh, and it's ready for consumption. But if you are new to gardening, how can you plant this pineapple? By removing this edge, twisting it, breaking it away, and take that same edge to the soil. Dig the soil and bury the base into the soil during rainy season. If there is not enough rain, then what do? Continue to water it regularly in the evening, early in the morning too, especially late in the evening. Water it regularly. During rainy season, there is no need for watering it. It will grow up and survive by itself. So I encourage you to do as I do. Continue to cultivate various crops, fruits in your garden, like I do. Don't forget to like and share this video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.